10 compliments younger women secretly love. What if I told you that younger women secretly love certain compliments that can make them feel incredibly special? It's not about overdoing it with praise, but giving genuine compliments that really resonate with them. These compliments can be a powerful way to connect with a younger woman. In the next few minutes, I'll share the 10 most powerful compliments that women secretly love to hear from a man. Ready to learn how to make a lasting impression on a young woman? But before we start, I would really appreciate it if you support us by hitting the like button. Thank you very much. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Stylish and unique personality. What do women want to hear the most? Is it compliments about their beauty? Not necessarily. Everyone tells them they're beautiful, and that kind of compliment doesn't make them feel special. They want to hear what truly sets them apart. Complimenting them on their stylish and unique personality can be incredibly impactful. Younger women appreciate this kind of praise because it goes beyond their appearance or clothing. It acknowledges their self-expression and individuality. It shows that you notice qualities in them that others might overlook. For older women, this kind of compliment is even more valuable. It demonstrates that you're attentive to her personality and style, not just her looks. Such compliments indicate that you see her as a unique and attractive individual, not merely as an object. This approach can help you build a genuine connection with her. Number 2. Witty and engaging. Telling her she's witty and engaging goes beyond the usual compliments. It highlights her talent for charming others with quick, clever conversation. This shows that you value her intelligence and sense of humor, boosting her confidence in a meaningful way. It also signals your admiration for her sharp mind and engaging personality, demonstrating a deeper appreciation than just surface-level charm. Younger women especially value this compliment because it recognizes their ability to spark interesting conversations and make others laugh. A good laugh can ease nerves and strengthen the connection between people. So keep reminding her how good she is at making you and others laugh. Number 3. Fitness dedication. Staying in shape takes hard work, dedication, and discipline. When a young woman demonstrates such commitment, she certainly hopes others will appreciate it. Complimenting her on her fitness routine is an excellent way to make a positive impression. For instance, expressing your admiration for her habit of waking up early every day to run or attend yoga classes shows that you value her discipline in staying healthy. Acknowledging the effort she puts into keeping fit reflects genuine admiration for her dedication. Number 4. Culinary talent. Let's acknowledge this fact. A love for cooking is instinctive for many women, and they appreciate honest feedback about their cooking. Complimenting her on her kitchen skills is a great way to build a connection. However, this compliment extends beyond just the kitchen. It shows admiration for her creativity and her ability to delight others with delicious dishes. By expressing your appreciation for her effort and passion in culinary arts, you can boost her confidence and make her feel valued. For example, you can tell her how much you enjoyed the homemade pasta she made for dinner. This shows that you not only admire her culinary skills, but also recognize the care she puts into her cooking. Such compliments not only acknowledge her talent, but also convey genuine appreciation for the effort she invests in creating memorable dining experiences. Number 5. Artistic passion. Acknowledging a woman's artistic passion goes beyond just recognizing a hobby. It's about valuing her creativity and unique perspective. Women appreciate this recognition because it affirms their ability to create something meaningful, boosting their confidence and sense of purpose. For example, if you see her painting, you might say, "I'm always amazed by how you bring emotions to life through your paintings. The way you capture moments and feelings on canvas is truly inspiring." This kind of compliment not only praises her artistic skill, but also shows genuine appreciation for the depth and meaning she brings to her art. Similarly, you can acknowledge her musical performances or photography by saying, "Your musical performances leave a lasting impression," or "Your eye for detail in photography is exceptional," which reinforces your respect for her talents and dedication. Number 6. Natural leader. Have you ever noticed how some women naturally take charge and inspire others? This is definitely one of the best qualities and deserves compliments. It's not just about recognizing their leadership skills. It's about celebrating their ability to motivate and guide others toward common goals. You might compliment her by saying, "When you lead a group with such clarity and positivity, it really highlights your natural talent for inspiring others." Make sure your compliment is genuine and specific. For example, you could mention how impressed you are with her effortless event organization or how people naturally look to her for direction, as if she has all the answers. Number 7. Kind and compassionate. The most attractive natural qualities of a woman are her kindness and compassion. These are traits she might not even recognize in herself. So pointing out her kindness and compassion can be a great way to catch her attention. It will make her feel valued and appreciated, and you'll leave a lasting impression. To compliment a woman on her kindness and compassion, it's important to be sincere and specific. For example, you could mention how much you admire her thoughtful gestures or how she always listens carefully to others. This way, she'll see how much you appreciate her caring nature and the positive impact she has on those around her. Number 8. Environmental advocate. Who doesn't enjoy spending time in natural surroundings? That's why younger people are so focused on protecting the environment and keeping our planet green. As someone with more experience, complimenting a woman on this topic will be greatly appreciated. Women value such compliments because they recognize their efforts to protect and preserve nature, which enhances their sense of purpose and commitment. For example, you might praise her goal of reducing plastic waste in the city and the steps she is actively taking to achieve this. You could also mention her enthusiasm and efforts in planting more trees. This shows that you genuinely appreciate her dedication to the environment and the significant contributions she makes toward a greener future. Number 9. Adventurous spirit. Have you ever noticed how younger women love to visit different places and create memorable adventures? It would be great if you could awaken their inner adventurer with a genuine compliment. Mentioning her passion for traveling affirms her zest for life, and she'll likely notice your presence more positively. Keep the compliments simple and specific. For example, you might say, "I love how you're always seeking out new adventures and making the most of every trip," or "Hearing about your travels is so inspiring." It's clear you have a real passion for exploring the world. Number 10. Academic excellence. For younger women, their career and reaching academic milestones are often the most important aspects of their lives. Complimenting a woman on her academic achievements is a great way to gain her recognition because it boosts her confidence for future goals. Praising her for her academic success shows that you appreciate her dedication, intelligence, and passion for learning. Women value this kind of compliment because it acknowledges their hard work and commitment to their studies. You might say, "I'm really impressed by your dedication to your studies, especially how you excel in such a challenging course." Alternatively, you could highlight her recent achievements by saying, "I admire how you consistently get top marks and handle your coursework with such diligence." This is a great way to show respect for her intellect and hard work and to build a connection with her. Well, there you have it. 10 compliments younger women secretly love. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment your thoughts below. Watch the recommended video on the screen. Thanks for watching.